These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it just tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you have this for me?
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all probably can't even hear me, but it's hot in here and we're not gonna turn that off, period. But anyways, don't mind this because this is finally fading away. Anyways, guys, today's gonna be a get ready with me periodicator. So I'm gonna get ready. My friend is supposed to be coming to do my makeup, but she's not here yet, and she's supposed to have been here. So I was supposed to do my eyebrows anyways, and then she's gonna do the rest. But yeah, she probably not even gonna do my makeup, so it's whatever. But I gotta put my wig on first because, baby, this hair is not it. But we have her right here. You know, she was like, you know, being laid or whatever. Ooh. But okay. We wearing this hair is from Wowie Bonnie. I don't know what video you're gonna see first. I don't know what video you guys gonna see first. The video of me reviewing it or me just right now. So yeah, this hair is really good. I like it. I'm gonna heat this up real quick, and so I'm gonna start on my eyebrows, and I'm probably just gonna do my makeup, my natural makeup, because all I do is my eyebrows. Y'all know I do my concealer, then I put my eyelashes. Okay, first off, y'all can't tell me nothing. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm done with the hair. As you guys can see, it's laid, everything periodic, take home. Now we gotta do the eyebrows and my friend gonna do the rest. So alright, like I was saying, I finished my hair, it's laid. Ooh, period. Now I gotta do my eyebrows. I obviously took a shower, washed my face. So what I'm gonna do is my little skincare. You already know. Well, I don't use this anymore. I use this at night to clean my face off. But I'm using my Mario Pediccio spray because I use this and while I'm doing my makeup and when I take my makeup off. So, woo! She is still not here. She's supposed to be here a whole hour ago. Y'all know I use this all the time. I don't know why I keep showing it.
I'm gonna put on this dress. I don't even like the dress, but I was like, I need to. She's gonna give me a portable AC. Use a brush.
I use my brush sometimes.
I got silver glitter.
Okay, let's do it. Right now.
Oh, I thought you were not done with your face yet. Hi guys,
I'm not.
I'm Anna. I look crazy. Period. You know know, Faces by Anna coming soon.
Period. I thought it was already here. Oh yeah, you're right. Coming soon. Coming soon.
I'm gonna make the second face.
You need eyeshadow?
I ain't bringing it. Oh, what is this? This is your future tattoo?
Yes.
See, this is what I was supposed to get for my birthday. Book me. Instagram, Faces by Anna. Faces by
Oh, this is a Facebook.
Anna.
Okay.
I want to do this.
The idea that this cluster of
I need to set your face with this. Yes.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna go get from KP. I need to get more. I'm gonna get the bigger one. I didn't know they had a bigger one.
Alright, let's get into this glitter. Like look down. Let me see the. Oh yes, Simple B. You could never like book me best makeup artist here. Like,
Oh my god, my chest.
make one video, make a couple videos. Things. Alright, let me go.
Alright guys, so I'm about to put my clothes and I'm gonna be right back.
Guys.
You don't go.
For 6:30, right?
You don't go.
It's too soon.
Don't get my feet. Oh my god. Just get like. Yo, this is mad cute on one. I didn't think of my outfit today. Alright guys, this day was not a success. I can't really get clean. Alright, but I'm on my way home now. Yeah. Today was not a success. I was trying to find an outfit for Pride, but now I'm going to Six Flags on Sunday, which is the day of Pride, so that means I don't even need an outfit for Pride, so I still want to get my nails done tomorrow, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, nothing much else I'm doing tomorrow because it's raining all day, so my boyfriend was like, we're gonna go on Sunday because we can't go when it's raining. Like, what's the point of doing that? So to update you guys because I was gone for mad long. There's so much shit happened today. It was so much. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find an outfit in my closet for Six Flags because I couldn't find no ripped shorts. Like, all I wanted was ripped shorts and I could have a top, but I can't even find that. So then, like, what the freak do you wear to an amusement park? But my phone about to die, so I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get in the house. All right, guys. So this is basically the end of the day. Today was like very crazy. Not even gonna get into that, but I didn't really get as much things as I thought I was gonna get, which I was kind of expecting a little bit because I ordered mad stuff online, so you know, didn't really matter. And it's crazy because when I was shopping today, my bank balance was $0. I was like, what? Like, after I was done at my last place, thank God, I was like, what? So I had to transfer money from my PayPal to my bank account. I just finished eating and then I had to clean up my cat's throw up after that. I think it was throw up. That's not a good mix. But yeah, I'm hearing sounds. I'm like, what is that? This girl is throwing up. I'm thinking somebody's in my house. She's throwing up. Like, you know when like pets make weird noises like stuff like that. So I'm like, what is that? But I don't want to get up because, you know, you see it in the movies, then you die, don't have time. So yeah, this girl threw up. But this is the end of the video, guys, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, pretties. I whistled. Woot woot.
I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Capiana. Roger that, Capiana. Benny Hanna, take a Tana. Bitch, I've been a Donna. He screaming my government. On Nika Tanya. You look like Nicki now. Still, you Tatiana. To keep it 100, bitch, you wacky.